Yo, what is up guys, Kosher Tech here. So today I just want to make a quick vid basically letting you guys know the updates of the giveaway rig, since I think we're already approaching the halfway mark of the giveaway. So if you guys haven't already joined the giveaway, I'll put everything in the description below on how to enter. Of course, you are winning the PC behind me and the monitor. On topic to that, there might be a slight upgrade to the giveaway PC. You know, Kosher always got to do a little crazy giveaways. You know, I just got to do what I got to do. I might be able, yeah, let me phrase this correctly. I probably say I might be able, well, I will be. All right, maybe, all right, I will be. All right, I'm going to upgrade this rig with another 8 gigs of RAM. So we're going to have a total of 16, guys. I got, let me just show you guys. I got another Ripjaws G.Skill sticks over here, so it's going to be a total of 16 gigs of RAM. So right now I currently have 8, and these RAM sticks are quick, man. They're going at 3200 megahertz. They're clocked at, so hopefully I will be able to overclock it to that speed. Also, I was thinking about maybe upgrading the processor. Now that I'm not too sure about. That I'll have to see, because I might upgrade it, because right now there's the 2200 in there, the Ryzen 3 2200. I might be able, will be able to upgrade it to, I would say, the Ryzen 5 1600X, because I really want this, you know, since streaming is something, I would say, something big right now and something very popular and trendy. So I could probably presume that someone who's going to win this giveaway rig will be streaming a lot, you know, or even probably try to stream. So I'd probably say a 6-core would probably be more a little plausible than a quad-core chip. But again, I would have to probably see on that. But this is just a quick vid just to show you guys, you know, the updates on what I'm basically doing. And the most important question is I want to ask you guys is this: what games do you guys want me to benchmark? Because like I said, we're in the halfway mark and it's going to be close to for me to do the actual the benchmarking vid. So let me know, guys. It's very serious. Let me know below in the comments below, what games do you guys want me to benchmark? All right, like what games do you guys want me to play? I know this is going to be like the most popular ones, or what? Like you're going to tell me, you know, PUBG, Fortnite, I don't know, like what other games that I would say like are popular right now for me to benchmark. That's what I need your help, guys. So yeah, so the rig is gonna get upgraded with 16 gigs, guys. I'm happy to say. I think that 16 gigs, I think is gonna be a sweet point. And plus, it's a kosher giveaway, man. You know, I'm not like these other cats over there. You know, that's how they do their own business. I'm not y'all, but when you know, it's a kosher giveaway. So whoever wins this, I want that individual, she to always have the best, and it's always kosher certified, guys. But that's that. And the processor, I'll see, guys. In the benchmarking vid, I'll see what I'm gonna decide putting the processor. I'm not sure, but you know, try to share the vid, guys. Try to share it, of course, to, you know, to friends, to family members. Let's hype up this giveaway a little more. Right now, I'm surprised he got 2,000 views, guys. He got over 100 or 200 likes, thumbs up. I don't know, but you guys are completely awesome. But yeah, let's share it. Let's blow it up, you know. And but most importantly, guys, you know, tell me in the comments below, because I want to make this benchmarking vid for you guys. Tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me which games you want to benchmark. Tell me what benchmarks you want to see. Just give me information, because tell you the truth, I don't know a lot in a sense of what you guys want to see. You know, I don't have that many subs, and you know, like I haven't been around in a sense for that long. So I'm gonna need you guys. I'm gonna need your help on this one, guys. So please, just tell me what you guys want to see in the comments below, guys. And that's that, guys. I hope you guys are happy. I really do. I hope this giveaway. My camera keeps on losing focus. I hope this giveaway, you know, it's gonna be dope, because I really want this to be because my last giveaway is fun, and I still keep in contact with the guy, and he loves it. Bizarro one, but yeah, you know, whoever wins this, I just want them to always have the best. So, but I'm gonna stop. But that's that, guys. I appreciate it. Leave them comments below. Tell me what you guys want to see, and I'm gonna try my best to run all those benchmarks. All right, guys. I love you guys. I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys. Deuces.